Purva, it's been an exciting morning seeing the vaccine doses finally leaving the Serum Institute facility there in Pune and now going to be shipped out to different parts of the country. I heard a lot of cheering as well as the trucks rolled out.
Absolutely, it was a fantastic morning. It was a very encouraging morning outside the Serum Institute of India's premises, where 3 trucks, in fact, left the institute around 4:30, between 4:30 and 5 a.m. There was a religious coconut breaking ceremony which also happened. A lot of security personnel were there, police personnel were there, who in fact performed that coconut breaking religious ceremony, and post which there was cheering, and 3 trucks left the premises between 4:30 and 5. And right now I'm outside Pune airport, and you can see that the trucks are here already, and one truck has already they say that vaccine from one truck has already gone, it's been shipped. The second truck is getting unloaded. As and when the flights are there, it is going to be shipped to different parts of the country, and through the day that is going to be the process that the trucks will leave the facility, Serum facility. They will come to Pune airport. At the cargo side, there will be unloading of these trucks, and then they will be shipped to various parts of the country. So very exciting morning. This is exactly what everyone was hoping for. There's a ray of hope that finally a vaccine is there, and now you can actually see that these trucks full of vaccine. You can, if I can ask my camera person to just zoom in around, there are these boxes, unloaded boxes. That's where the vaccine is. So this is being shipped to different parts of the country, from Pune, wherever, Bangalore or Chennai, Hyderabad, or even Delhi, Ahmedabad. That is where different locations is being shipped, and even to places which are nearby like Mumbai, road transport is being used. So very exciting morning. Everyone here is excited. It's a significant moment, of course, and you can see that the trucks are here. They are unloading the vaccine, and as and when the flights are there, the vaccine is being shipped.
And Purva, a lot of security also in place for these vaccines as they leave for different parts of the country. If you could tell us a bit about that.
Absolutely. So from the beginning, like at the Serum Institute itself, there was a heavy security. In fact, the trucks left, they were escorted by the security, because in fact, it needs to be maintained, and Serum personnel was also with these truck drivers, because an official person was with each and every truck. So a lot of heavy security, and it was kind of a guarded secret as to which truck was going where, which consignment was being shipped to which part of the country. Nobody was telling us about that, because there was a heavy, there is a secrecy which they are maintaining here, because they don't want any kind of news to get leaked, or anything about the consignment to come out. So even the Serum personnel are being tight-lipped about which consignment, which truck is going to which part of the country. That is not being told, but yes, police personnel is guarding those trucks. Then also the official person from Serum is inside each one of those trucks, so that they can see that the proper distribution is done. The truck from the facility comes to the airport. At the airport, the unloading happens, and throughout this process, the security personnel is with them, be it the Maharashtra police or the official of Serum Institute of India.
All right, Purva, thanks so much for joining us there. Purva, they're watching history being made as the first vials of the vaccine are leaving from Pune for the rest of the country. As we said, the vaccination program will begin on the 16th.